In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox connection error. Sorry, there was a problem reaching our servers. The first thing I suggest you do is you come here and you search for run, type in %temp %, press OK, and delete everything in here. Now if this one pops up, just check mark this and press skip, because the rest of these things we don't need to delete. So just do like this and just leave the rest of that in here. Then type run again and type temp, but without the percentages, and try and do the same in here. Skip for the ones that we don't want to delete, and just like this. Then empty a recycle bin. And then what you want to do is you can come here and search for run again, type in %local app data %, press OK. In here, find your Roblox folder right here. Go into logs, delete everything in here. So I'm just gonna press delete, empty my recycle bin once again, and there we go. Now see if it works. If it still doesn't, what I suggest you do is you come here and you search for view network connections, find your internet, right click, disable, and then right click enable. If that still doesn't work, you can right click and go to properties, internet protocol version 4, properties, use the following DNS and type in 8888-8844. Press OK and see if it works now. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can do is you can come here and search for network reset, open it, reset now, and your PC will restart. Now I really hope this helped fix your issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.